So, wala akong video recently because I'm so busy. And as you can see, I cut my hair. Pagupit na ako. Oh, sobra. As in. Kasi before ako gumawa ng video ng YouTube, hanggang bewang siya. Then, look. Sobra. I don't know if you can see the change of that. But I love this look. Oh, I don't have makeup. So, ano yun nga? Oops, nakita ng aking closet. Ang magulo. Message from Candy Pop. Sorry, hindi ako nakapagawa ng movie ng stuff. So, my best friend also told me na, hindi ako magawa ng video. So, I decided sobrang busy. Ay, bala ako matutulog. 3 hours na lang before work. Wala akong makeup look. I've been busy a while, pero soon. Mosugu. Video 作るんで、何作ろうかな。Nagbago rin ako ng room. I've changed my room. May sofa. May sofa and my stitch thing. Dumami siya. So, I've been so busy itong mga few weeks. Hindi rin ako nagbabukas ng computer, promise. So, I will check you up later. Next video, siguro smoky eye or kung ano, basta. Any requests about makeups? Just, I'm trying. Nag-genki din eh.